You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two words. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary in English as well. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. So how do you pronounce those? Yes, indeed, they are homophones, meaning they are to be pronounced the exact same way. The top word is the drink. In British English it's said as beer, beer, or in American English, beer. The bottom word is a container used to put ashes of dead people, generally, beer or beer, pronounced exactly the same way. Beer, British English, beer, American English. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.